Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lynn's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hiyayakko. It is a chilled tofu dish served with different toppings. I like to eat this dish during warmer months because it's light and refreshing. This recipe is super easy to make, so let me show you how now. Here is the ingredients overview. Hiyayakko doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Both silken and soft tofu can be used in this recipe, but I personally prefer the smooth texture of silken tofu. If you like a firmer texture, you can even use the regular tofu for this dish. You can also replace light colored soy sauce with ponzu sauce. I use Bonito flakes, chopped green onion, and grated ginger as the toppings. However, there are a lot more toppings that you can try, which I will mention at the end of this video. To prepare the toppings, first thinly slice the green onion. Peel and grate the ginger. You can cut the block of tofu depending on the size of your serving dish. For this demonstration, I cut the block of tofu into fourths and place one piece in a shallow dish. To serve, top the tofu with some Bonito flakes, green onion, grated ginger. You can adjust the amount of those ingredients depending on your liking. Pour over some soy sauce and your Hiyayakko is now ready to be served. Enjoy! So here is my Hiyayakko. The ingredients I use in this recipe is usually used traditionally. However, you can also use other ingredients as toppings such as corn, shiso leaves, sliced cucumber, and wakame, which is a seaweed. Then top it with a ponzu sauce. It may seem kind of plain, but it's actually very flavorful and tasty, so try it for yourself. So I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make Hiyayakko today. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click the like button down below. Happy eating! Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time!